I can't find it.
Hey there. Let me ask you a question. What happens when your business phone rings but you're with another client, or it's after hours, or you're just swamped? That ringing isn't just noise, it's a potential paying customer. And when it goes to voicemail, that customer often just moves on to your competitor who actually answered. What if you never had to miss that call or that revenue ever again? The revelation. Introducing the iReceptionist. I'm David from Simple AI Flow, and I want to show you the future of customer service. It's not a bigger team, it's a smarter system. Imagine a dedicated AI receptionist that works 24/7, never takes a lunch break, and never gets sick. An AI agent that answers your phones with a human-like voice, understands exactly what your callers need, and handles the entire conversation for you. This isn't science fiction. This is what we build for businesses just like yours. The proof, real-world use cases, the magic. Let me tell you what this is like in action. For a restaurant, a caller wants to place an order and then switch to making a reservation. The AI handles both seamlessly, capturing the order details and booking a table, all without the owner missing a beat during the dinner rush. For an auto shop, a customer describes their car trouble, a 2006 Toyota Corolla with a transmission fluid leak. The AI agent collects all the details and then books a specific appointment directly into the shop's calendar. For a lawn care company, a prospect asks about pricing for mowing and if edging is included. The AI answers instantly and schedules a free consultation for a more accurate quote, capturing a lead that might have been lost. This works for salons, dental offices, consultants, any service-based business that relies on the phone. The system is custom trained on your specific services, your FAQs, and your booking process. The reassurance, how it works, the simple part. You might be thinking this sounds complicated, but that's where my team and I come in. We handle the entire technical setup for you. The AI integrates directly with your existing calendar to avoid double bookings and can even send automated text confirmations and reminders to your clients to prevent no-shows. We build your custom AI receptionist so you can get back to what you do best, running your business. Your transformation awaits. Stop letting your busy signal be your biggest competitor. Did you know that one missed caller a day worth $100 a call calculates to $3,000 missed revenue in a month? Stop leaving money on the table. If you want to transform your business, book your free no-obligation demo with Terrence. He'll show you exactly how a custom AI agent can capture your missed calls, fill your calendar, and grow your revenue. Book your demo now. Let's put your business on autopilot.